The August workshop takes place on Saturday, August the 9th at noon Eastern Time, and it will be all about traveling stitches. We'll talk about ways to persuade stitches to travel, and we'll test one of those ways as we work through this beautiful traditional stitch called Hausa pattern. To make drawing with these lines of knits as easy as possible, we'll experiment with two ways to cross stitches without a cable needle. Give them both a try and choose the one that feels more comfortable to you. As always, the workshop is happening live on Zoom, and it is free for all members of the 10 Rows a Day Club. If you're a member, the Zoom link is already waiting for you in your email inbox. If you're not a member yet, you are very welcome to join at 10rowsaday.com/join-club, and I'll send you the Zoom link 1 hour before the meeting begins. Can't join us live? No worries. The workshop part of the meeting will be recorded, and you can watch and rewatch the recording anytime from the live workshops and classes section of the club resources. By the way, the recordings of all previous workshops and live classes are also available in that section, ready for you to binge watch. It is just one of many resources that your club membership gives you.